Hey, it's Doug from the Rise Above Gym channel. And whether you're looking to start the new year with a new workout or just looking to get back in shape, I got a good kettlebell combo workout for you. Let's check it out. Whoa. All right, I like this workout because it's full body. We can pair up exercises or combine exercises to get more done in a little amount of time. You can do this almost anywhere. So a lot of hotel gyms now even have a kettlebell, or you can probably get away with this with a dumbbell as well, but you don't need a lot of equipment. I have a bell at home. I did this workout at home because I didn't have a lot of time. I just went in the garage and knocked it out. So that's another thing too. It won't take a lot of time. You don't need a lot of equipment. You can do it almost anywhere. It is essentially simple, but not easy. I would kind of put it in the intermediate category. So if you're new to kettlebells or new to training, I have an intro to kettlebells. I'll link the first week up here. It's 4 weeks essentially. I mean, you can do it in back to back, but it's a 4-week program. Very simple, just to learn the basics of kettlebells. All right, enough rambling. Let's get to the workout. All right, I have 6 exercises that are paired up. Only one of them is going to be single-sided. So I'll just run through it. I'll just do reps and talk about how to put it together. So the first one we're going to do is a curl to halo. So I'm going to curl up and I'm going to open up my elbows, keeping the bell down, handle down, and then rolling around. So curl. Open up the elbows, rolling around. If you got tight shoulders, my right shoulder tends to get a little bit tight on me. It's good mobility. Now I do not want to bend my head. I want to lift up a little bit more if I have to bend my head, because I don't want to crank my neck. Open up my elbows as much as I can. The tighter the circle, the more mobility you'll have. Next, I'm going to keep it in this goblet position. I'm going to do a squat and lunge. So I'll step backwards, I'll lunge once, I'll lunge twice, set up my feet, squat, lunge. Maybe I can go forward too, squat, I'll step forward. All right, next I'm gonna do a 2-1-1 swing. That's a 2-arm, 1 arm. So I'm gonna hike through, 2 arm, I'll let go, 1, 1, back to 2, 1, 1. You can do a full 2 if you want. Now the combo here, so obviously adding the 1 arm to the 2 arm to make the 1 arm swings essentially the same technique as the 2 arm. All right, so I'm going to row, set the bell down, deadlift. Row, set the bell down, deadlift. And this is how you get away with a little bit lighter bell on doing the deadlift, because the deadlift is usually the strongest one. Now this is the single side one. I'm going to do a floor chest press. But I'm going to set myself up in a get up, this leg up, this leg out, because press, I'm going to lock down and get up. I'm going to repress, lock, and I'll do the get up, sit up. So it's not the full get up. You can do the full get up, but you'll get less presses in. I'll switch sides, change my leg. Do one more. All right, and just for kicks, why don't we do another core exercise? I'm gonna hold my bell, I'll do a sit-up, I can bring my feet up, 1, 2, down. You can keep your feet down, 1, 2. There you have it, the 6 exercise combo workout to jumpstart your training for the new year or just training in general. Now you can do this for reps, so you have to count, and you do like 10 on each side. You can do a few rounds, resting in between rounds, or you can do it for intervals. A lot of times I'll just put a clock on 45 seconds of work, 15 seconds of rest. That's the way I don't have to count. And I try to get a bell that I can kind of keep moving without being too strenuous, without being too heavy, not grinding out reps, but it also gets a little harder as I go along. So those are 2 ways that you can do it. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments below. If you have any questions about future videos or topics, that helps me out, put them down below. So give this workout a shot. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.